we have to do the test first.
Good readers don't just read the words on a page. They ask questions and wonder if what they are reading makes sense. This helps them to understand the text in much more detail. One way to build better understanding of a text is with think marks. These are special codes that we put on the text as we read. They show us what we're thinking. If there's something in the text that you can see really clearly in your head, you would use this symbol to show, I can see this part. If there's a word in the text that you don't understand the meaning of, you would use the symbol that shows, what's this word?
I will tell you after they say it.
If you have figured something out in the text, or if it makes sense to you, use this symbol to show, I understand this part.
They teach you how to read. So while you read something,
I'm going to show you how I use think marks whilst I'm reading.
So
this text is from a story called Worm Surfing. The chapter.
So they teach you how to read. So when you read something, so if you understand clearly, you use this code. You draw the eyes. This is the code to tell your parent, your teacher that I can see this part, I understand this one clearly. If you don't know any word, you put w beside or under that word. This is the code w. This is the code to show what this word means. I don't know. Okay? But if you understand, you make a tick. So when you finish, everything's alright, you put a tick. Or before, like after this sentence, you understand what they say, you put a tick. Example, warm, what is warm? Or what is happy? You put a w. So this is the code to let your parent or your teacher know you understand or the word you understand, the word you don't know. Understand? Right, but this is the example. Let's see how the cat do her reading, okay? And the reading called surf up. Surf up. And let's see how it do it, okay?
Is called surfs up. Surfs up. It is wet, it is windy, the worms are happy. Surfs up, they call. The wind blows. The grass sways above them. Leaves race across the lawn. I woke up to a very wet and windy morning recently. So I am going to put an I can see this part think mark. I can picture exactly what kind of day this is.
Okay, so the cat put the eyes here because they understand. It's wet, it's windy, the worms are happy. So understand clearly. They can see. They see what happened, so they put their eyes.
I already know that worms like it when it rains. I've seen them wriggling around in the grass. So I am going to put an I understand this part.
So after you read this one, oh, I understand, put a tick. Okay?
Think mark here. Surfs up, they call. The wind blows. The grass sways above them. Leaves race across the lawn. I'm not sure what the words surfs up mean.
So the cat doesn't know what is surf up. What is surf up mean? So they put a w, put the word next to surf up. So the cat will ask her teachers or a parent later. Sway, sway. The wind sway, the grass sway. Okay, that is sway.
So I am going to put a what's this word think mark next to them. Let's check what the word surf means. Surf can be a noun. It means the waves that roll onto the shore. Surf can also be a verb. It means to ride on waves using a surfboard. I'm still not sure what surfs up means, but the rest of the text might help me find out. I can picture the wind blowing the grass and the leaves. I think the grass looks like the waves, and the leaves might be like surfboards. I am going to put another I can see this part think note here. I think I know what surfs up means. The grassy waves are perfect, so the worms call each other to come worm surfing. Now I know what this means. I am putting another I understand this part think mark here. You can use think marks to show what is going on in your head as you read. Thinking as you read makes the story come alive.